How do you automate a full file backup using Python? Imagine waking up and finding your important files safely stored away without lifting a finger. That's the power of automating file backups with Python. Today, I'll show you how to set up a simple script that copies all your files from one folder to another, keeping your data safe and organized. First, you need to bring in some built-in Python modules. The OS module helps you work with file paths and directories. The shuttle module is great for copying files and entire folders. And the datetime module lets you add timestamps to your backups so you can tell which is which. Next, you define where your files are coming from and where you want to store the backup. These are called the source and destination directories. Make sure these paths are correct and accessible. Now, to keep things tidy, you create a new folder for each backup using the current date and time. This way, each backup is unique and easy to find later. You can do this with the datetime now, SDRF time, function which formats the current time into a string. Once your backup folder is ready, you use shuttle, copytree, to copy everything from the source folder into your new backup folder. This function copies all files and subfolders recursively, so nothing gets missed. It's a straightforward way to make a complete backup. But what if something goes wrong? You should add error handling with a try except block. That way, if the source folder doesn't exist or there are permission issues, your script will tell you what went wrong instead of crashing. Here's a simple example. You set your source directory to your documents folder and your backup directory to an external drive or another folder. When you run the script, it creates a new backup folder with the current date and copies everything over. To make this process even better, you can check if there's enough disk space before starting. You might also want to set up your script to run automatically every day or week using tools like cron on Linux or Task Scheduler on Windows. For more advanced backups, you can compare file modification times and only copy files that have changed since the last backup. This saves space and time. You can also add logging to keep track of each backup operation or send email alerts if something fails. If you want to go further, you could even extend the script to upload your backups to cloud storage services like Amazon S3 or Google Drive using their APIs. That way, your data stays protected even if your local drives fail. Learning these basics of Python scripting for file and system automation makes it easy to keep your data safe without manual effort. With just a few lines of code, you can set up reliable, automatic backups that run in the background, giving you peace of mind knowing your files are always protected.